This is Shelby taking Gatsby for a walk.
He's doing it right. We're still moving. This still counts as
Yeah,
walking.
he needs to be on his feet, honey.
Okay, I'll get him on his feet.
You're upside down.
There we go. Oh yeah, we're off to a good
He's
start.
just eating the leash. It's not his fault. It's string. He likes string. Get out of here. Okay,
Yep.
ready? Ah, he's walking, he's walking, he's walking, he's...
Okay, up. Yeah, you're about ready to take him out, sure.
Walk.
No, do not drag him.
We're having a good time. That's my toe. This is working.